Greetings from Obi Nukwu Chineke. We are blessed and empowered to be creative and to achieve greatness with our brain and 5 fingers. Through the existence of the wind, water and sand, our creator Chukwu Okike Abiyama uses to sustain all human and also monitors the activities on the earth without a mistake. Today is AFO Market Day in Igbo land. May your day be fruitful. As you are going out to the market or your working places, good things of your request you shall receive, isee. May you have a costumers to patronize your business, isee. May customers flock to your business, isee. You will buy and resell according to the demands of the market, isee. May the wind, water and sand that sustains all humans guide you and perfect your way of living, isee. May the wind, water and sand that monitors all the activities of every humans fight your battles both spiritual and physical and grant you victory always, isee. May the wind, water and sand that knows heart of every humans grant you inner peace while approaching your creator Chukwu Okike Abiyama through them, isee. May the wind, water and sand that knows all the good things that's suitable with humans' life always brings blessings of good things to you as a daily gift, isee. May we humans never lack good things in our lives, isee. May the wind, water and sand always perfecting our brains and minds to be kind, good to our fellow humans to restore peace on the earth of flesh dwelling, so that we can allow our brains and 5 fingers to be creative and beautify the earth according to the plans of our creator, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, toward humans. Isee, we are blessed and empowered from Obi Nukwu Chineke, aka wind, water and sand, the blessings of the universe, Isee, Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike.